What's up, guys? This is going to be part 2 to the scooter throttle fix. So what I ended up doing was taking the original throttle signal, that was the low voltage. It's like max of 3.5-ish. So I'll take it from this white wire here, and then it goes through this nice looking green wire. And then we go to this thing called a rail-to-rail operational amplifier. And basically what this thing does is, depending on these resistor values, in this case, this 10 kilo ohm one right there, it goes to ground, and then these three, which add up to around like 3.5 kilo ohms, I believe, somewhere around there, of actual resistance. They're labeled that, but there's always a little bit of tolerance issues. And then that runs into this blue wire, which goes to the green wire and then goes into the controller somewhere. Wiring's not that ideal and not straightforward, but that's why we got a fire extinguisher. So hopefully we don't need that. Anyway, and then this operational amplifier needs a supply, which is this blue wire here, and it runs into there and then does some math, does some very important calculations for us, and then spits out that signal, which has a gain to it. In this case, the gain is 1.35-ish volts. So it takes this signal and then adds 1.35 volts to it, basically. And then this blue wire is our supply voltage. So that's got like 5.2 volts. And it runs through here, through this nice little channel. And then spirals up, comes up through here, goes around, and then it comes in. At the moment, it's not permanently hooked in because I'm still kind of testing it, but then it goes into this 5-volt supply here, which in this case is from a USB, because that's the only supply we could get. Can't get it off the controller because it doesn't have one, and I don't want to open it up and try and find one because I don't want to buy them again. So back up here, we turn this thing on. We can see that before the reading is this. Now we are running like this. Very nice. So overall, I'd say that's a pretty good fix. We get some more speed, we get some more performance, and hopefully it doesn't all blow up. Now this thing's pretty old, and it's probably at the end of its lifespan, but hopefully this fix can get it through until I can get a new scooter. But yeah, this rail-to-rail operational amplifier is very nice and did the trick for us. So it's gonna be it for this video, and hopefully that was able to help somebody. I mean, probably not, but maybe. And if you have any questions, just put them in the comments. I'm not a certified electrical engineer, so, you know, take everything I say with some nice fine grains of salt, to say the least. But yeah, thanks for watching.